In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a metallic text effect in Canva. We'll start with a template. Open a built-in app that generates stylized text. Choose a metallic style and then fine-tune the size, placement, and background so the effect really shines. Begin by opening a Canva template that matches your project. You can pick a social post, a presentation slide, or a custom size. Choosing the right canvas size up front helps the metallic texture stay crisp, especially if you plan to export for print or high-resolution graphics. Next, look to the left sidebar and open the Apps panel. This is where Canva keeps all the extra tools that extend what you can design. In the Apps search bar, type Text Studio or Text Studio Maker. You're looking for the app that creates stylized, ready-to-use text effects. Open the app to bring it onto your screen. Inside the app, scroll through the available styles until you see the metallic options. These often include chrome, steel, silver, or gold looks. Choose the metallic font style that matches your project's vibe. In the text box, type the phrase you want. Short, punchy words often read best with metallic treatments because the highlights and reflections are more visible. All caps can help emphasize the reflective edges, but use what fits your design. When you're happy with the text, click Add to Design. The metallic text will appear on your canvas as a single element. From here, resize it using the corner handles. Dragging from the corners keeps the proportions intact, so the effect doesn't look stretched. Aim for a size that feels balanced with any other elements you plan to include. Reposition the text by dragging it into place. Canva's smart guides will help you align it to the center or line it up with other objects. If the composition feels heavy on one side, nudge the text in small increments until the layout feels balanced. Now, adjust the background color to make the metallic finish pop. Darker backgrounds like charcoal, navy, or deep purple often enhance silver and chrome effects. For gold, a slightly warm, deep background can add richness. Avoid colors that are too similar to your text tone, as they can flatten the shine. You can click the background and choose a color that provides strong contrast without overwhelming the text. That's it. Your metallic text effect is ready. Save or export your design in a high-quality format so the texture and highlights stay sharp wherever you share it.